Today's top Ethereum and Bitcoin mining devices continue to rake in profits. Are you interested in learning how to make a passive income with cryptocurrency mining? In this video, we're going to explore the world of ASIC mining and discuss some of the most profitable devices on the market today. Welcome to my YouTube video on the world of cryptocurrency mining. As the crypto market approaches a value of $2 trillion, mining has become an increasingly popular way for individuals and businesses to earn money in the crypto economy. In this video, we'll be exploring the most profitable cryptocurrencies to mine, the best ASIC mining devices to invest in, and what the future holds for this exciting industry. So, whether you're a seasoned crypto miner or just starting out, let's dive in and explore the world of crypto mining together. Mining cryptocurrencies has become an increasingly popular way for individuals and businesses to earn money in the crypto economy. As the value of the crypto market approaches $2 trillion, ASIC mining devices are generating significant profits for their owners. Despite the recent drop in value of both Bitcoin and Ethereum, mining these cryptocurrencies remains highly profitable due to their consistently high hash rates. As of mid-April 2022, the most profitable cryptocurrency to mine is Ethereum. The Silicon A11 Pro, which processes the Eth algorithm at a rate of 1.5 GH/s and has electric costs of 12 cents per kilowatt-hour, can generate an estimated $51.58 per day in profits. While this mining rig carries a high price tag of $18,888, it represents a worthwhile investment for those who want to maximize their earning potential. For those looking to invest in Bitcoin mining, the Bitmain Antminer S19 Pro is currently the most profitable machine, processing the SHA-256 consensus algorithm at a rate of 110 terahash per second, TH/s. Using today's exchange rates, a single Antminer S19 Pro can generate $13.74 per day in profits. Other Bitcoin mining devices, such as the Microb's WattsMiner M30S++, can generate profits of $13.52 per day using today's exchange rates and electric costs of 12 cents per kilowatt-hour. In addition to these popular mining devices, next-generation ASICs are set to reach the market in Q3 of 2022. Bitmain and Microb have both announced new Bitcoin miners, such as the Antminer S19 XP and the WattsMiner M50S, which can process at speeds of up to 140 TH/s and 126 TH/s, respectively. These machines are projected to generate significant profits for their owners and are likely to be in high demand. Moreover, ASICs that can mine other cryptocurrencies such as Kadena, SCRYPT, and X11 are also highly profitable. Kadena miners can mine KDA, while SCRYPT devices can mine Litecoin, LTC, Dogecoin, Doge, Digibyte, DGB, and others. X11 machines can mine Dash, Cannabis Coin, CAN, and AXE. As the crypto market continues to grow, mining cryptocurrencies with ASIC devices will likely remain a highly profitable venture. With new machines set to hit the market later this year, the opportunities for investors to earn profits through crypto mining are sure to increase. We hope this video has been informative and helpful to you. If you have any questions or comments, please feel free to leave them in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos on cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.